It's up here because I'm working, maybe, you know, whatever. So he's thinking about up here. So my other hand's going to come down and start to take his lapel right out from under his, right out from his belt. Okay, so whatever's going on here, I'm just doing that. And yet, you know, I don't have to make it too secret, and I don't have to make it obvious, but it's happening. It's coming under. I just bring it right under his shoulder and grab it with my other hand. Okay. From there, put my hand on the ground, come right up to knee on stomach. Next step, reaching across and under with my other hand. Okay, now I've got a nice grip here. Generally, if he doesn't turn towards me, which a lot of times people will, especially when I get the knee on stomach, but even if he doesn't, I'm here, and all I have to do is grab here. Boom. But if he turns towards me, it's the same thing. I'm just grabbing across. I don't have to get any grip, just grab. Boom. And it's real tight.
Where is it affecting?
I'll show you. I'll do the choke one more time and then I'll show you. So I'm here. I'm maybe pressuring in with his chin, which is a nice little technique you guys can use if just to make them uncomfortable. That's what you want to do, right? I'm reaching back. Doesn't matter what he's really doing. I'm just going to reach back, grab, pull it under. Boom. Now I got this nice and tight under here. Come right up onto knee on stomach. Keep a nice low knee on belly. I don't want to be way up here. He can start pushing me around. My weight is low. I'm right here, okay? Reaching, take this arm, reach across the, so I have the arm closer to his head right now has the gi. Reaching across with my other arm and grabbing under, nice and tight here. Now all I have to do, see, this bone, called the mean bone, it's my radius, is right across one carotid. Now all that happens is my other one goes across the other carotid. Boom. And the reason you need the gi grip, it just tightens everything up. I obviously can't just do this. I have to have a handhold here. So especially if he especially, which they usually do, if he turns towards me, everything tightens up real nice. So
is it just as bad when they turn to you?
it's tighter when they turn towards you, and that's what they usually do because you're on your knee on stomach. And a lot of times what people do, they want to either put their hand right here and try to turn towards you, but by that point I've already got what I want. So we'll go one more time. And there's some variations from here too. Reaching down. If it's already out, that's great. Pull it under. Grab it with my other hand. Knee on stomach. Reach across. Doesn't matter, even if I can just get a little bit. But the deeper, obviously, the better. Now this is real tight already. Just reach across